So I am going to show you guys how to do a partial refund in PayPal for this video. And what I'm going to do is just click on a random actually, you know what? I'll search one for you guys and you can see exactly how I do it. So if you go to activity here, you can get a better view of all of the transactions that have come in. And you can actually search for transactions by email address, transaction ID, last name, first name. So you should have the email address from your email, when they did the PayPal transaction. Or you can look them up by last name and do it that way. But once you do that, then you just click search and one will actually come up. So let's just, for example, take this Giles person here and just do Giles. So they came up, there we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside, we're gonna click their name. And now you can see that we are on the transaction details. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you're gonna see this, underneath the net amount, it says issue a refund. So you're gonna click that. And once you click that, this is gonna come up and you're gonna see the refund amount. And all you have to do is type in the amount that you actually wanna refund and then click continue and it will refund that person that amount. So the one problem with partial refunds is you're not going to get your eBay fee back for that amount. So if you refund somebody, $10 and eBay charged you a 9.15% fee, you're not going to get your 91 cents back. So that is the only thing about partial refunds. Just keep that in mind when you're doing those. You will get your PayPal fee back. You're not going to get the 30 cents back. So PayPal will always take a minimum of 30 cents. So even if you do a full refund, you're still going to get that 30 cents is still going to be taken. So just keep that in mind when you're doing partial refunds, but that's how you're going to do a partial refund in PayPal.